Hello there. I want to give you a preview of the model kits to come. I just received a big order and wanted to share it with you. I'm currently going through a phase that I want to build police cars and four-door sedans. So I picked up a few of them, and many of these kits are out of production. So it took me a while to find them and basically just order whatever I can get my hands on. So this is a very early kit, I believe, from the 1990s. It's a Ford Taurus police car. It comes with decals for New York State Trooper or CHP. I live in New York City, so I want to build some NYPD police cars. So, haven't decided whether to build a CHP or not on this one. I'll do some research. But anyway, this one I bought as an open box kit. It was already opened, but I believe all the parts are in there. So this one should be fairly simple or average for an AMT kit. It's probably the same as the Mercury Sable because it's the same car. It's the same kit too as the RoboCop because if you guys saw the movie, they drive around in Ford Taurus as well. AMT also makes the Taurus SHO version, but that would be without the police light and the accessories. It'll just be the plain four-door with the SHO engine. But I want to build a police car, so I paid a little bit more and got the police light and accessories with it. So look forward to building that. On the subject of police cars, I bought this out of production police van as well. I've built a monogram Chevy van called Black Gold a while ago. And the only reason why I bought this police van was because I needed the NYPD decals. I looked around to purchase only the decals, but I also need the striping too to put on the fenders. So some decal sheets, they come with the NYPD emblem, but I still need the police line. So that's the only reason why I bought this kit. But I already know what I want to do with this kit. I want to build it and cut open the side door that's on the other side and leave the side door open so you can see into the interior. I may not even build it as a police or emergency vehicle. Maybe it'll just be like a civilian plain van. But I basically bought this one for the decals. But the interior, I believe, has like the basic bench, first aid kit, maybe like a chest or two. But should be good. Next up is this Ford Interceptor. I believe it's like a 70 Galaxy. You can get this with a different box under the 007 Las Vegas, I believe, decals. This one comes with New York State Trooper and possibly some other state. But this one I'm going to build as an NYPD 1970s police car, which were dark green with black fenders. I have to do some research on the internet to get the color schemes right. Like that light bar. Comes with a parts tree diagram in the back. So that should be fun or nice to build. Here's the van. I didn't show you the back. That's the parts diagram or what's in the box. So this one you've seen in my other preview. This one I will definitely build as an NYPD vehicle, which is light blue and white. Here's the parts that are in it. Comes with a lot of accessories, guns, push bar. And I'll use the decals from the van. This is an Impala Super Sport. It's a 94. So they came all in black. They also were available in other colors in later years, such as dark gray or dark burgundy. but I'm not looking forward to the black paint because I don't like spraying black paint. Looks like an average simple monogram kit. Looks like an early release as well because it says Revell monogram, because a lot of them now just say Revell. Next up is another out of production kit. I bought this because I actually own a 99 Ford Explorer XLT, so this one is close enough as far as body style. It's very similar. This one is actually an upgrade because it's a limited model. Mine is just an XLT model. But again, seems fairly basic. Mine exterior is dark gray, interior is medium gray. So as long as I spray both in different shades of gray, it should be good. And last, I have the Batmobile from the 1966 series for the 60s. It's based on the 1955 Lincoln Futura. I chose this Polar Lights kit because it's a glue and not a snap fit. It also comes with 2 figures. Polar Lights makes many versions. They make one that's even smaller, I think like 1/32 scale or something, and I wanted the larger 1/25 scale, and this one comes with the figures. Others do not come with figures, or they're either snap tight or they're the 2-in-1, which means they give you 2 kits in one snap, 1 glue. But I chose this one because I wanted the figures. This one seems like it's going to be complicated because I might have to spray it black, plus the decals are probably very thin and they might break. Or you guys can just order the snap tight, which I believe comes with the body already pre-painted with the red trim or the lines already. But this one feels very heavy, so either has a lot of stuff in it or maybe there's a piece of brick in it to make it this heavy. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts, comments. If you have any questions, I look forward to reading them. I hope you enjoyed this preview to show you what's up coming ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 models that I have unbuilt, which is near my all-time high of I think like 9 or 10 kits when I get backed up. I know some people, they like to collect the kits and not necessarily build them, or they don't mind, they backlog, but for me, I think I've reached my limit. So I probably will build and not buy any more. The only time I might buy another kit is if I find the AMT rubber duck from the movie Convoy from the 70s. It was a black Mack conventional truck with a really big brush and grill guard in the front. So if I see that, I might pick it up. That, of course, is an out of production kit. But if I see it, I might order it. But I think I'm fine as far as ordering any more kits. So there's a preview of what is to come. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. And I haven't decided which one to build. Definitely not the Batmobile, because that one looks complicated. So I might save that for when I need a real challenge. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon.